People celebrating with cake and balloons. For Rockford Speedway, we celebrate with the Midnight Ride. Here we go, cheer 'em on. The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere. Oh my, the lights are flashing. Trouble and turn. Sparks fly. And they keep going. I think I'll get back. The modern technology of the scoreboard keeps us in tune. Who's leading? The 22 car, Dwayne Lounsbury, your leader. Brent Gardhart in that 52 in second. A great battle for fourth. Check him out. Oh, trouble. They slow. Billy Balms. Brian Austinson. Lounsbury hangs on to the lead in that 22. Lounsbury with the lead. A big pack behind your leader. Billy Balls into third in that 64. Battling hard with the 51 of Chris Page. Can you see them now? '19 car, Curtis Neiswanger off the pace. Lounsbury, your leader. Huge. There's your leader, just crossed the line. Look at the battle for second. 2, 3, oh, look out! Trouble down the front stretch. The lights are on. Hard to tell who was. Looks like the 64 car, the 19 car. Well, he was getting past. So what do you think of the Midnight Ride so far? I told you it's complete craziness. Took a few laps and your eyes start to adjust. And then you can start seeing the cars. Stop over, buy a ticket, and join the party, folks. So much fun here on America's best birthday party. The Midnight Ride, right before you, 1 to go. Now Lounsbury hanging on to the lead. It looks like cop lights in that second place car, the way it wiggles like that. It's got to be tough on your eyes. Pace car ducks. Yeah, he got into the pit area. Wants nothing to do with this one. Here we go. The Midnight Ride. Green's out. Oh, layout. To the inside. It looks like it could be. Not sure. Lounsbury. Robinson. Orion Ostison into third. Dwayne Lounsbury hanging on to that lead. Robbie Robinson in second. Orion Ostison in third. That second place car, that light has got me dizzy. I'd say yes, officer, I'll pull over. But that's Robbie Robinson. He's not pulling over for anyone. Lounsbury with the lead. 3 laps to go. Turn 1, sparks fly. White flag flies. Dwayne Lounsbury. Robbie Robinson. Then Ryan Ostison. A battle for second. Check him out down the back straightaway. Ostison to the inside of Robbie Robinson. At the line. Who's it going to be? Dwayne Lounsbury takes home the Midnight Ride at Rockford Speedway. What'd you think of the Midnight Ride, folks? I told you it was crazy, and yes, it is. The Lounsbury clan here at Victory Lane. Let me in here, folks. And he's doing a Polish victory lap. What nationality is the Lounsbury family? Do we know? What nationality are you? I know you're not. Come on, give me a Lounsbury here, a real one. All right. Misty, I need you to work on that. They claim their nationality as Heinz 57. Rolling into victory lane. He's crawling out of car. Let's hear it for him, Dwayne Lounsbury. Your Midnight Ride winner here